Welcome to Microsoft 365, where luxury meets success. Build a great prompt with Copilot for Microsoft 365 Introduction. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a powerful AI-driven tool designed to enhance productivity by assisting users with content generation, data analysis, and workflow automation. To maximize its potential, crafting effective prompts is essential. A well-structured prompt ensures Copilot understands your intent and delivers relevant, high-quality responses. Understanding Copilot's functionality also integrates with Microsoft 365 applications like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams, enabling users to automate repetitive tasks, generate insightful content, and improve collaboration. Whether drafting emails, creating reports, or analyzing data, Copilot's efficiency depends on the clarity and precision of the given prompts. Key elements of a great prompt: 1. Be clear and specific. More precise your prompt, the better Copilot can understand and generate the desired response. Instead of saying, "Summarize this report," specify, "Summarize this report in 3 bullet points focusing on revenue trends." 2. Define the output format. Indicate how you want the response structured. For example, generate a professional email inviting attendees to a product launch event. Create a table comparing sales performance in Q1 and Q2. 3. Provide context and constraints. Including background information helps Copilot generate relevant responses. Instead of write a marketing plan, try write a one-page marketing plan for a new fitness app targeting young professionals. 4. Use examples if applicable. Provide examples of the type of output you expect. This reduces ambiguity and aligns results with your expectations. 5. Iterate and refine. If the initial response isn't satisfactory, refine your prompt by adding more details or rewording it. Copilot learns from repeated interactions and improves over time. Practical examples: here are some sample prompts to enhance productivity in Microsoft 365. Applications: Word, draft a one-page business proposal for a new AI-powered customer support. Chatbot. Excel, analyze the monthly sales data and create a pivot table showing revenue per region. Outlook, write a follow-up email thanking attendees for joining our webinar and encouraging them to book a demo. Teams, summarize key action items from the last project meeting and list them in bullet points. Conclusion: a well-crafted prompt is the key to unlocking the full potential of Microsoft 365 Copilot. By being clear, specific, and structured, users can receive more accurate and useful responses. Practice refining prompts to achieve the best results and streamline your workflow effectively.